Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today I am going to show you one of my personal favorite and it's very spicy and delicious recipe, Dragon Paneer. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this recipe, here I have taken 250 grams of paneer and I have cut it into the pillar shapes. Now to make the spices, here I have taken 2 to 3 dry red chilies and I have ground it well. And adding 3 to 4 cloves of garlics and green chilies. Then add 8 to 10 black pepper and grind it well. And here you can see I have ground it well by adding little bit of water to make a paste. Now I will prepare a slurry with 3 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoon of corn flour. Now I am adding water slowly to make a slurry. Here please note I will not make a thick slurry because I don't like a thick coating on paneer or chicken while I will fry these things. So here I am making a thin slurry. So I need little bit of water, and after adding the water our slurry is ready. Now to fry the paneer, here I am adding a sufficient amount of white oil and I will heat it up to fry my paneers. Now I will marinate these paneer pieces with the spices and will put into that slurry to get a thin coating of flour and will deep fry it. So now putting it into that hot oil. So in this way I will marinate all the pieces, will dip into that thin slurry and will fry it in the hot oil like this. Now we just need to deep fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, because paneer may burn. So after 2 to 3 minutes you can see a good golden color has come. Now it's time to take it out from the hot oil, and in this time when it's hot, it may stick to each other, but don't worry, don't try to separate these things. While it will be completely cooled down, you will be easily able to separate these things from each other. Now it's time to prepare the gravy, and for that I have chopped the vegetables like one big capsicum, carrot into the pillar shape, same like the paneer, and I have just separated the cloves of one big onion and 3 to 4 green chilies cut into the pieces. For gravy, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of white oil, adding some black pepper and chopped garlics. And I have to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets good flavor and aroma from the garlics. Now adding the onion cloves or onion pulps. We need to saute it little bit. Now adding carrot pieces and the capsicums. And just sauteing it for around 3 to 4 minutes. Adding the green chilies. Then I will cover it up for 5 to 10 minutes to soften these vegetables. Now to prepare the sauce, here I have taken around 1 teaspoon of pasta sauce, 2 teaspoon of hot and sweet Maggi tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and I will just mix it in a small glass bowl to prepare the sauce mixture. So after 10 to 12 minutes, when I'm just removing the cover, you can see my vegetables become soft. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar to give a good texture and just mix it well. Now add this sauce mixture with some salt and sugar as per your taste. You can avoid sugar too. Now mix this well. So friends, now if you want to use this dragon paneer as your starter, then don't need to add water, but here I am preparing a gravy, so I will add around 1.5 cup of water to make a gravy, and just mixing these vegetables with this water, and again I will cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So after that you can see my gravy is almost ready. But a Chinese dish always requires a thick gravy, and for that I am using that leftover slurry that I have used to coat my paneers. So just to make a thick gravy, and just mixing it well. And now I am adding these fried paneers, and you don't need to cook it after adding this paneer, because you know the paneers are delicate, and if you cook it further then paneer may break. So just adding the paneers with the gravy and mix it little bit. So our dragon paneer recipe is complete and it's completely ready to serve. So friends, if you like our recipe, please click the like button and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notifications about our new upcoming recipes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So friends, please try it at your home and give the review in the comment section. Thank you. Keep watching Meet the Flavors.